Yeah, good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
So, we'll go for a mapping today. Okay. Although we have some SQL sessions left, okay, we'll go for that SQL session tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Just I wanted to show the taste on what is Informatica, what will be the real environment you will be working after you get a job. Okay. So I wanted to show one mapping today. So that is the reason I am entering into a mapping itself directly. So we have attended some 3 sessions on SQL already. So now we will go for Informatica. Some more 2 sessions I wanted to take in SQL. So later I will take. So latest we will go for Informatica today. Okay. So uh, we'll go for a mapping today. I want to let me show a mapping, how we will be doing the mapping in real time. Okay.
So it is showing training comments shared as owner.
Yeah, exactly. So go to the training and right click and you give open. So we will go for a mapping, okay, Naresh, in your system only. We have already done a mapping for Hemant. We will go for a mapping for you now. Okay. So in this, you might see now here you have a source. Naresh, you are hearing, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay. You have a mapping here. You have a source. You can take this source and you can put your employees here, and this is your target. This is your target. You can create like this on target. It's already target is there. No need to issue, no need of any issue. So you can go for a mapping here. Okay. I think there is a mapping already created here. Test mapping. Okay. Yeah. We'll go for a other mapping. Just for an instance.
So if you click that icon, it will display this table.
Yeah. See here, whatever the mapping you have created, that will be shown here. Okay.
No.
This is your which one?
Right.
Which one?
Source table. Employee Oracle.
Yeah, source. Yeah. Will show the list of your tables, whatever you created.
Where we should click here or this one icon.
Yeah, no. You want to just to drag and drop here. Your okay. Got it? You just take and you leave like this. That's all. And you want to go to this target now. Leave like this. It's already done. Just I'm showing.
Okay.
So it is mapping. This source, target, and mapping. This is the major role you have. And this is your maplet designer. Maplet designer means it is readily you can keep some mappings. You can apply that mapping for some other mappings. Some designs here. Maplet designer.
Okay.
So,
Templates.
yeah, you can keep some designs, whatever created that you can create here. Later we see that. As of now, we go for a fresh mappings, creating fresh mappings.
Okay.
So,
Empty.
see, you can go and create your, you can go and create your new mapping here. M. You're able to see Hemant, correct?
Yes, sir. I'm able to see the screen, sir. Your
Yeah.
which you are showing. Any desk.
Just to you just see this and observe this. Okay. So same thing you can apply for your system also. After completing this mapping, I will come to your system also. We will go for a mapping. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Can give a name as new mapping, or we'll go for a transformation also today. No problem. New mapping or first mapping. You can mention it as my first mapping. Just So everything in this and all, you cannot give space here. You want to give a underscore only, always.
Yes, yes, okay.
Please note it. If you give a space, it will not accept. You want to
Okay.
give a m underscore my underscore first underscore mapping. Okay. So now you can take your, well, always whenever you drag and drop a employees or any table here, it will come along with a source qualifier only. Okay. Along with a source qualifier, always. It will come along with a source qualifier. Then now I will drag and drop this target here. Now you are doing your mapping. Don't want to open this one now. Just see, select all. Okay. Select all. Connected. So this is what your major work you will be doing in your system, but along with some more transformations you will be using in between here. Between the source and target, you will use some transformation here. So, so let us go for just after this, you want to make a save, control save. You want to show us valid here. Okay. So this
Okay,
is
sir.
then after this, you will go for your workflow. Then you want to click on the workflow. Okay. Then you will create a new. You want to go for a workflow. Then create a new workflow here. Create. You can give.
Flow is available in repository.
Yeah. Workflow you have not seen. I just clicked here only. Here only after completing
Oh,
that.
okay, W.
Yeah, W. That is what workflow.
Oh,
Let me cancel. Let me cancel this. Okay. So this was your previous page, correct?
Yes.
After made a mapping here, you are giving control and save. This
Yes,
page will
I
be
saw.
saved. Okay.
Okay,
After completing that, you are coming to workflow. You are
workflow.
clicking here. Okay.
Oh, okay.
After done this, this is your list of workflows. Whatever you created, that and all you can see here. This is your previous mapping, whatever you have done. Okay.
Okay.
This is what your previous mapping. Now you are creating a new mapping. This is a test mapping. When I was installing the installation, this software, I created a test mapping, whether it is working or not. I just tried at the time. So now workflows, new workflow I'm creating. One more workflow for you. Create. So let us FW. You give these keywords clearly so that in future you will be able to understand what is the okay. So
Workflow.
my first, always try to give small letter here and all, not caps. My
Okay. Okay.
first workflow. Don't give any space and all.
Okay, sir.
So after done this, you will see a start icon here. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Then you want to go for this session icon once. Just click on that and just show here. Okay. It will show the whatever you created the mapping here, designer, that will be shown here. Okay.
Okay.
You created a mapping, no, here. Mapping.
Yeah.
So that will be shown here. This is the previous mapping which we have created. So now you
Yes.
click on this one. So just make a OK here. So you got a icon here, correct? Here. Then you go to this link task. These all are different tasks. We will speak one by one hereafter. We will have a session only to speak about all these tasks. Okay. So as of now, we are going to click on this link task. This is called link. Fine. So this is the link task. Okay. Just click on this and drag and drop here. And just you make a connection between the start and your this mapping. Okay.
Okay.
Then you just make a double click on this. And you will find a mapping. You are able to see Hemant, you are observing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Go and click on this mapping. Just make a double click on this and click on this mapping and come to the SQL employees and see whether it is connected properly, because it should be connected to source only. You go and give a click here. It will show two connections: Oracle's Oracle source, Oracle target. For the first one, it should be source only. It is showing correctly, no problem. Okay. You can come to this T underscore employees, and here you can connect the target. It is showing default source, but you want to change it to target. Okay. Got it. So after that, you can come down. You can give a truncate table truncate target table option. You can give a click here. Why this option is given is, if some other document, some other record is there in your target, it will delete and it will add this record in the target. Correct? Truncate means you know already to delete the existing record in the table, in the target. That is what truncate. It will do default. It will truncate the default this thing. It will clear the whatever the record is there currently with, and then it will load the new record, whatever you're doing now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then after click on this, please give apply and give OK. Done. This mapping is done. Now you can give control save. After control save, you will see valid here. It should be valid.
Yes.
Then only you can go for the next step. What is the next step? Right click and give start workflow. Okay. So it is showing running. Succeeded. Okay. This should be there actually. If there is any mistake in your mapping or any connections, it will not show succeed. It will show failed. Okay. And then you can make a click here, and then you can make a click here. You can make a double click here. If you make a double click, you will find a table here. Then you can make this click on this arrow and click on your source and target statistics. It is showing what it is showing. So in source 107 record was there, and that is moved to target now. This is your target table. This is your source table. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So whatever the record was there in 107, it is come to target. How to confirm that? You can go to your database now. How you will go to the database? You go to your Oracle SQL developer now. Can come to this Oracle SQL developer. Whenever you open the Informatica, you can open and keep this Oracle SQL developer also. It will also come for a use anytime. Okay. So it's getting yes, it is opening.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm hearing.
So whatever you explained today, right?
Yeah.
Is there any flow?
Flow means
Means for explanation flow. Notes.
notes, right?
Yes.
Yeah, notes is there. Yes, I'll share the
No,
notes for this one.
Now you explain, right?
You are thinking that it may get forget, correct?
Yeah.
This session is getting recording anyway. I'll share the video also. That is enough, correct? I have a lot of notes that also I'm going to share today. No problem. In that also this flow is there. Okay. Got it?
Thank you, sir.
I'll show the recording also. No problem. Same thing I will whatever I explain, I will give a recording also. No problem. You can anytime you can sit and you can do the mapping. No problem. If you don't have any, no need to have any fear. I will forget something. No problem. You can go for this HR. Okay, here.
Yes.
Then HR. You give the password HR only. First time you will have that fear. I may forget some step and all. If you do some 2-3 mappings, it will become very easy for you. No problem at all. Just say instance, you can just close all these and all. These all are okay. So you can go to only this HR. You can go and see whether select star from employees. So it will be there default always. While creating the database itself, all these record will be there in default. To practice, they have given actually. Okay. So this is the first one, and you can close this, and you can come to this core. Core is your target. HR is your source. Core is your target. Come to this target and give core, same password only. So previously it was empty. Now you loaded there, no? That will be shown here. Select star from T_employees. Then give control enter. It's showing correct?
Yes.
So what is this? It is whatever you loaded there, that only it is showing here. Mapping, okay?
Yes, sir.
Because we have a connection, internal connection is there between the database and Informatica. That is what it is showing, okay?
Yes, sir.
So just for instance, let me truncate here only. Truncate table T_employees. T_employees. See, it is truncated, correct? Now you go and select star from employees. It is showing empty. It is showing only the structure of the table. So again, you can load once again if you want. You can go to mapping, and you can give a restart task. Okay. You can give restart task. It will run again. It will run again, and again it is showing in the second task. Second time your workflow task. This one. Again, if you see here, you will find here. Go and
Again,
see it. Yeah. Again, you go to select star from employees. Got it, correct?
yes.
So this is what the basic work you are going to in the Informatica. Hemant,
Yes, sir.
you asked the question yesterday. What will be the real-time scenario in our job? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So you're getting correct?
Yes, sir.
So any doubt with this?
No, sir.
You have any other doubt? Do you have any doubt in this, Naresh? You want to speak anything about this? You want to ask anything about this?
No, sir.
About the real-time scenario, what we will be doing, right?
Now I got some idea.
You got an idea. So,
Sir, in SQL, we will be doing the changes, sir, like transforming the data for the required format. After that, in Informatica, we will be uploading by mapping it. That is the job now, sir.
correct. In SQL,
Yes.
we are creating the table.
Yes, sir.
We are taking the table to Informatica.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, for example, we will create a table here. Okay. For example, we will go for a table. One more table will go. Okay. You do one thing. You have some default tables, correct? So go and see here. Select star from departments. Correct. They have departments, and you can see a lot of tables here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See here, employee ID, and these all are the basic tables. Sorry, this is your core. You can go to HR. In HR, all the tables will be shown. The countries table is there, departments is there, employees there, job is there, locations is there, patient is there. So these all are the basic department. So you can open this. You click also, you can see in this format also, like this also you can see. Okay. You can see your whatever is the table structure, you can see the primary key, column of departments, not null, they given, something like this and all. So sometimes you can go and
These comments will come automatically or what? We have to create
this one,
comments.
yeah, it is default, it is created and kept in the Oracle for your practice purpose. These tables we have not created, it is there in that itself.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So you can close this. So this is what, so you can see this and you can see this here. You can select star from locations. And we will go for a transformation to make you realize what is your real work. Because we have gone for this mapping, no? So
Yes.
here, yeah. I will disconnect this connection, okay?
Why, sir? What happened?
We will insert a transformation here.
If it is open, we can't open, transformation.
No, you can open. In real time, we will not have like this actually. In real time, source will be there, target will be there, but in between some transformations will be there. Okay. Here we are not doing any changes. Whatever is there in the source, you are sending to target, right? In real time, they want to do some changes. That is why we are doing this mapping, correct?
Yes.
Same thing they will not ask. They will have thousands of records or lakhs of records here. They want to load some particular record only. They will have bundles of record will be there. They don't want to load everything to target. This target means this will go to the data warehouse. We spoken already about data warehouse, correct? So that data warehouse, this is the connection. This target is your data warehouse. This will go to the data warehouse. So let me disconnect here and I will insert a transformation here. Just make a click on this, just make a click on this and click on delete. Okay. It is deleted now. So I will connect which transformation now. As of now, I will show you filter transformation. Okay. We'll go for a filter transformation. Just click here and just show here. Just a click. It is connected, right?
Yes.
Just make this and control all, select all, and give like this. It will get loaded slowly. And then here also select all. And then give it to connection. In between, this filter is there. Okay. So in our previous
So for what reason is this filter, sir? How it works?
how it works means we want to I don't want to load all the 107 here.
Sir. Only the required thing I'll be pushing to
Yeah.
target.
Here I want to load some few record only. I don't want to record all the things here.
Okay, sir.
For that we are doing. So click on this filter. Okay. Go to this mapping. Okay. Default it will show as true only always. Okay. It will have two options, true or false. So here I want to give load. If you give a false here, for example, okay, apply. What it will do now? Control save, valid. The hearing correct?
Yes, sir.
Now come to workflow, and in the next thing, just make a right click and refresh mapping and save, and just give the start workflow. So this load is happening now. How many records you have done? You have got here 0.
0, 0.
0. You go and see in database also, it will be 0 only. Reason is we have filtered all the records here. Accordingly, we can, if you want, you can also. Okay. So what we have filtered, we filtered only all the, we made this thing, and you can go and see here. Can salary, you will get salary. Okay. Salary more than 10,000 you can see. Can make a validate here. Correct. So salary, it is filtered. It will filter the salary now. Control save. Understood, right? Both of you?
Yes, yes. Now it
Yeah.
will display only more than 10,000 salary people.
Yeah. This is what you are doing in the SQL, no?
Yeah.
Same logic you want to apply here.
Okay.
Okay. Then control save. Go to workflow. And you want to give a refresh here.
Okay.
Then you give save. Then give start workflow. How many records it is showing?
15.
Okay. So you can confirm this by going to your this thing,
SQL developer.
target, the core. So control count of rows, it is showing 15 rows only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can see the salary. It will be there only more than 10,000. There is no any salary less than 10,000. Hemant, you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is one scenario. And other scenario, if you want to see, you can go and do some. You can do similarly like this. Anything. Okay. Real time. This is what you are going to do. This they will give some transformation. They will give some requirement. That requirement.
Whatever we did now, more than 10,000 salary persons, right? This is
Yeah.
called transformation.
Yeah, this is a filter transformation.
Okay.
See, this is one transformation.
Instead of using queries, we are doing like this.
Yeah. No, actually, the thing is, you may ask a question, why can't I use only SQL developer only? Why I want to use this transformation, this Informatica and all? That means what you can do is in this, you can use any,
More here, right, sir?
uh-huh,
Data security.
not only data security, uh, you can take many sources here. See here, go and see in the see here mappings, create. So go and the source here, sources, import database. So many databases. See here, import from Amazon, import from Salesforce. These are all different databases. Okay.
Okay.
Currently, we are having import from database Oracle. Oracle. This is your data. Import from database. It will show the Oracle. Okay. So this is a other source. Import from file. File means it is a flat file that we will see tomorrow. How to create a flat file. We will see that tomorrow. Okay. I just wanted to make a overall glimpse for you. What will be the real-time scenario? What will be doing in the real-time scenario? Okay. Okay. Got an idea?
Yes.
This is just a filter transformation. We have many other transformations. Filter transformation will do the filtering, and other transformations will do different functions. Okay. So this is why we spoken about. You can take the source from any database, but if you use only Oracle SQL Developer, you will not have any other sources. No. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in the real-time scenario, the client will give the source in different formats from different database. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes he will give from the Amazon S3. Sometimes he may give from the Salesforce. Sometimes he will share a COBOL file. Sometimes he will share a XML file. Sometimes he will give Oracle. Sometimes he may give files. While explaining the project in the interview itself, you want to talk about all this. I will get the source from different heterogeneous. Want to use a word? Heterogeneous input, heterogeneous sources I will get. Like that you want to tell in the interview, correct?
Yes.
Homogeneous means only one source. Heterogeneous means different sources I will get. That is what different source. This is just a glimpse. In real time, you will have more than this actually. You can also create the source also here. Enter a name for this service. Database type, which one? Teradata is showing. Vertica is showing. And in real time, it will show more sources. This is a glimpse how it is happening like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in real time, you will have Azure will be there. Azure means Microsoft. And in real time, Amazon will be there. That is Amazon S3. Okay. That is called AWS. Okay. AWS is your Amazon. And like this, you have some 300, 400 brands is there for database. You may get a source from any kind of source. So you will take that and you will load here. Where you will load to the same target. Everything, whatever the source may be. So for example, this table is there no employees.
Sir.
Where we get this? While doing the mapping, I just made a import from database I did. Where I did, I just made like this only. I think connect. So just a moment. I just kept the caps on. That's why it is not allowing to connect. Go and see HR tables. It is showing all the this thing, what to say, that's the tables and all. So I just can take your departments also this time. Make it okay. You got a departments here, correct? See here, departments is added, correct?
Yes, sir.
This is what. So in the same way, while doing the mapping, you want to import create a table here. Manually, you want to create in that actually. Select star from, create table T underscore employees as select star from departments. Similarly, see, I will open this target. In this target also, you want to go and import from database. That is from the core. It is showing only employees as of now. Why? We created only employees there. We can also create other tables also so that it will come here. It will show here, correct? Then you can go for the mapping. I just wanted to show the glimpse. So we have gone through this filter now. We can also go for other transformation. Okay. I just wanted to make you interest in this, what is happening in the real time. If I go through the procedure as per one by one, that we will go one by one tomorrow and just showing the real this thing, what we'll be doing in the real time like that. We'll go for other transformation. For example, which one will go? Hemant,
Yes, sir.
ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಇದು ಈಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಈಸಿನೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೇನೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, 2-3 ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಒಂದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ತರನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ
ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ 10,000 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್? ಅದೇ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಎಬೋ 10,000 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಡೇಟಾ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೈರಿಂಗ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಇಮೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ 15 ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಂದಿದೆ, 15 ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ 10,000 ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಡೇಟಾ ಅನಾಲಿಸ್ಗೆ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಅವರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ದೊಡ್ಡ ತಲೆನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಡೋಣ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ತಲೆಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ, ಯಾರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು 10% ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ. 10% ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಅವ್ನ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ನ್ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಆ ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡಿ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ 1,00,000 ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ಈಗ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾರು ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್. ಆವಾಗ ನೀವು ಈ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಸಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೇ. ನೀವು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಜಾಬ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಕಥೆನೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಸಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್. ನರೇಶ್, ಅದೇ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ನ್ಯಾವಿಗೇಷನ್ ಒಂದ್ 2-3 ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಸಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಇದೇ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ರೌಟರು, ಒಂದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3-4 ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್, 10 ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ 10 ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕೋ ತರ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಆ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನಾವೇ ಡಿಸೈನರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅವ್ರ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಫಿಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು ಏನನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ.
Our requirement ಅಂದ್ರೆ client ಕೊಡೋ requirements
ಫಿಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ತರ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಏನೋ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ
Yes, sir.
ಇದು ಈಗ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಪಿಯಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಡಿಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಾ,
yes
m_filter transformation. ಇದು ಎಡಿಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. filter_transformation. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಹೆಸರು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ಲೋಸ್ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ಲೋಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. WF ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ _transformation. So it is permanently saved in this way. ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ದು ನೀವು ಏನಾರ ನಾಳೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಬಂತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದ here, it is showing the m_filter transformation. This is what. So this way you can create a new mapping now. So let me create a expression transformation. This is a new mapping. Okay, so in this I will take the same employees again. I'll take the target here. In between, which transformation I want to put now?
Filters.
No, expression. Now we are doing expression. Okay, just click on this and show here, it will show. Okay, now you can do just drag and drop everything, whatever is there in your and you can give here also connection. It will get connected internally, no problem. If you want, you can open see whether it is connected properly or not. Try ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಹೇಮಂತ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್,
ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್
ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್, ಇದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ನೋಡಿ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಐಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀನಿ. ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಐಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದೇ ತರ ಹೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಹೋಗಿ
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಷನ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ I'll come from the beginning once again. Okay, click on this, double click. Okay, then go to the ports and click on this salary and add. You can give a name, new salary. Okay. You can change the data type, whatever is there in the salary, same only you want to give. Decimal means decimal only. Okay. And you can give a open here, new salary. Getting any confusion, any idea, any problem is there to understand? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನರೇಶ್, ನೇಮನ್?
Sir, for what purpose we will be doing this, sir? For same like filter?
No, filter, you are only filtered. Okay.
Sir.
New salary, you go and click here. Okay. So I want to give an increment to all.
Okay, sir.
That is not possible in filter.
Yes, sir.
You can do only filter. What is the more than 10,000 or less than 10,000? This and all you can do.
Yes, sir.
So in this salary plus, salary plus salary. How much 0.1 increment I want to give? 0.1. 0 point means how many percentage we are giving increment? How many percent we are giving increment? 0.1 means
1%. 10.
Yeah, 10%, correct? So salary plus salary 0.1. Can give like this. Salary plus salary into 0.1. So whenever you make a validate, you want to make a expression passed successfully, then only it will allow. Okay, it should not show error. So while doing this, you want to give output here, not here. Okay, understood?
Okay.
You want to give the click here, not here. Then after apply, to do that, you will get a new row will be created here. Salary, new salary, whatever you created, that will be shown here. Okay. So you want to disconnect this connection, salary. I want to give the this connection, you want to connect to the salary, to the target. Hemant, you're getting idea, right?
Yes, sir.
So now you can do your save, and you can go and see whether it is done or not. The same way. Give a save here. It should be valid. And go to the new mapping, new workflow. F expression transformation. Okay. Then again you do the same. Give a connection here. You want to see properly here this expression transformation. you have created now, just now that it is showing here, you want to make a OK here only. When you make a click here, and then give a connection. Same way, mapping. Go and see whether it is a source to source, target to target, it is connected or not. So it is connected source, but if you go and see the target, it will be showing source, then go and change your connection. And you can give a truncate because previous record should be deleted and this new record should be uploaded to the target. That is why you're giving a target truncate, apply. Okay. Then you can give a save. Then start workflow. So it is loading here in the monitor. What you can close this and see once. It will open the, even if the monitor is closed also, it will open directly if you give a start workflow. Like this. Showing succeed, no? Expression transformation. You see 107 record, right?
Yes, yes.
You asked a question, filter and what is the difference? Here we are giving increment to all the people. That is why it is showing 107 to 107.
Yes.
So you go and see in your this thing. Select start from employees, target. See the salary here, whether it is increment done or not. How you want to understand? Go to the HR and see the salary. What is their salary, previous salary? See, 24,000 was there. Okay. Here you see the salary is increment done, 26,400.
Yes.
Everything is increment done for all, 10% increment done for everyone. Hemant, you're getting idea?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this is
sir.
this is what. So we practice now today filter and expression. Okay, you can practice this, okay, as of now. Okay. Shall we stop today?
Okay, sir.
And Hemant,
Yes, sir.
can you practice this?
Yes, sir. I'll do, sir.
I'll share the video and
sir.
in another 2 hours I will share the video.
Sir.
Wherever you get stuck, I will wherever it is not required, I will edit the video and say so that it will be easy for you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The waiting time and the unwanted speaking and all, I will remove it and I will share the video. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that you will have a good idea and I will share the notes and all. By seeing that notes also, you can do this and all. Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Sure, then I'll give some based on this, I will give some what to say, some exercise also I will give. You can work on that exercise. If you get stuck, you people are free. There is no job, I think now. So it is a very good opportunity for you to practice. Please sit the whole day also if you have the time. If you want to do that, you can do. I'm not forcing you. As per me, 1 hour is enough. Maximum 1 hour is enough. Okay. If you have time, you can do the practice. You can do some more mappings. Let us before this on 25 days, you practice some 70, 80 or 100 mappings. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you will get an experience of some 2 years experience. Paka. Am I right, Naresh?
Yes, sir.
You do how many mappings you are putting, that many you are becoming experience. In real time also, so many work and all will not be there actually. Okay. You will get them experience of more than a real experienced person. You will get an idea more than a real-time experienced person. Okay. He will not create so many mappings and all. You will have some idea, they will give some mapping sheet, they will do the mapping and all. So many this thing and all will not be there. Okay. So you will get an experience more than a really experienced person. That we can get it here, no problem. Okay. So that you
Yes,
can
sir.
go and talk more confident in the interview. Yes. What is he will ask how we will do the mapping in rank. He will ask what is rank transformation. He will ask what is filter transformation. Then he will ask what is your expression transformation. What is the logic you will apply in expression transformation? Like this, they will ask the question. Then you want to talk. That's all. It will have all the functions. I will take a function and I will add it and I will do it. You can give an example. If I want to increment, I want to give a salary increment. I will do this salary plus salary into 0.1 so that it will be increment. It will give the increment of 10%. So you can, if you want, you can share the screen to the interviewer and you can show it. He should believe then, right? Yes, you know everything, right? This is what you want to prove in the interview. Yes, you are knowing all this. That's all. Then your interview is cracked, right?
Yes, sir.
Shall I stop here? I'll share the video and I'll share the notes. Anything you want to know? Anything else you want to know, Eman? Anything you want to
No,
speak?
sir. While practicing, I'll get you back, sir.
Yeah. Anything you want to speak? Anything you want to ask, Naresh?
As of now, no, sir.
As of now, no. Whenever you get any problem, you put a message in the WhatsApp or give me a call or give me a WhatsApp message or you can make a call also, no problem. Anytime I will receive the call and I will give idea. We will come to the any desk or we'll come to a Zoom connection anytime. Full day I can support. You people should get ready. That's all. I am ready anytime. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Full day anytime. You can call, you can give a connection, you can make a any desk connection. I will get connected and I will give the idea. You people should come up. That's all. You all these transformation we will finish. See here,
Yes, sir.
there is a filter. We made it right now. We have done expression. Filter also we have done. There is a aggregation transformation is there that we could have practiced now only. Aggregation, shall we go now or we will stop now? Shall we go for aggregation also as of now?
No, we'll practice this too, sir.
Yeah, you practice these two transformation, then automatically you will get an idea on all these. All
Yeah,
this is transformation only. This is a aggregator. This is a lookup transformation. This is a sequence generator. This is a stored procedure, and we have a joiner transformation and normalizer, and this is rank transformation. This is a router transformation, sorter transformation. All these transformations we will practice one by one. We will put different mappings. As of now, you have 3 mappings in your system. So you just practice once again. While practice, what you will do is you create a new mapping in the name of expression transformation 1, expression transformation 2, like that. You can create a new mapping. Okay, Naresh?
yes, sir.
You just create a mapping here. And if you have already expression transformation, you give a new name. You create a new mapping. Expression transformation 1, expression transformation 2, like that. And filter transformation 1, filter transformation 2, like that. You can create different mappings. Whatever you created, everything it is showing here. Expression, filter, mapping. Okay. Similarly, if you go to workflow also, it will show whatever you created here. See, workflows and all it is showing here. The filter transformation, workflow filter, workflow expression, workflow testing. Showing 3, right?
Yes.
So you can drag and drop directly also from here also, filter transformation, directly. You got the work. Got it? You can drag and drop your expression also here if you want. You can drag and drop your testing also here directly. So like this, you can go to designer also. If I want to see this mapping, how I have done, you can go and make a drag and drop here directly. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then go and see what is the logic we have applied inside. See all these structures and all. See, it's showing everything it is showing. Okay. And it is showing properties. Okay. You have made a changes here. This is just an example. We have hundreds of examples like this. Okay. So in filter also, you can go and see the properties. You want to understand, you want to learn what is the properties given in every transformation. These questions they will be asking in the interview. Okay, what is the properties in filter transformation? They will ask. At the time you want to tell. In filter transformation, I will have a filter condition and I will have a tracing level. This one. This is not going to use too much with this. You will have more with filter condition only. The similar way, if you go and see this expression transformation, go and see these properties. The properties have a only tracing level. I will have different, whatever the table names it will show. So these options and all, to add a column here, to delete a column. So for example, I just add a column here. And if I want to delete that, you can delete it. It is gone. So this one is to move up and down. You can make it up and down. First name. Employee ID was the first row, no?
Yes, sir.
If you give a up here, employee ID has come to the next one. First name become the first one. Okay. So you just give a reverse as it is. Wherever you want, you can put this, you can change the columns and all wherever you want. So,
Okay.
So accordingly, if you want to add this thing, you want to change the connection here from salary to salary. So this is your new salary and you want to create a new salary means you want to create a new column and you want to change the connection here. That is important. If you forgot to give the connection, it will not work. See, this is the input, but you are not taking output from this one. You are taking from this one. In fact, you can uncheck this one. Okay.
Yes.
Salary input is here and output from here.
Yes, sir.
You want to uncheck here. You want to see here input. I means input. O means output. Okay. So this is your input. You uncheck this output and you can make a output here. So that output will become here. It will come here. Okay. So you can give the logic. Similarly, you can give 0.2 or 0.2 also you can give. It will give 20% increment. Okay. So you want to do, you can do anything. Salary into 0.1 and any logic you can apply here. Like 10%, 20% or whatever you think in the mind, you can do that and all. So you can save it, no problem. As it is showing this. So we have two mappings. So you can do this mapping, no, Yaman?
Yes, sir.
If you get anywhere stuck, you call me, we will connect and we'll do the mapping for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Even now or after 1 hour or full day also, anywhere you get a time, you can connect and you can do. Okay. So while
Yes, sir.
practicing these two transformations, if any doubt, you can call me or you can get back me, Naresh, as of now. Okay, anytime. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Full day, anytime you can do. And after completion of this one, we'll go for other things also. Some more SQL classes there. That also we will finish today. Okay. I have some free time today. So we will
Yes, sir.
we will work more today. We will finish that SQL also. Hemant,
Yes, sir.
yesterday we have done some SQL classes. Let me finish whatever we finished yesterday for Naresh. Let me finish for you separately, and we will together.
Okay,
we will do one more SQL class today, and we will
Yes,
finish
sir.
the SQL also today. SQL also important. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Today we will finish SQL class, Naresh. Okay, take some more time and we will finish. Is it okay or not?
Okay, sir.
Time is there, Naresh. You're having any other plan? Is there, Naresh, for you?
No, it can take.
Okay, we will finish it off SQL and we will do. You practice this transformation, transformation yourself. You also practice. We will finish
sir.
2-3 transformation and SQL class today. Yeah, I have some free time today. We will finish it off without any fail. Okay. So that from
Okay, sir.
tomorrow, I will not take any task. I will
Yes, sir.
do the mapping in my this thing only because in the AnyDesk it is getting slow while doing it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it is getting slow. So that we will work in my system only. You can see and you can note it down, and you can learn, and that is the real way of working. Okay. Practice of
Okay, sir.
training. Okay. So let me stop now. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.